Now that the lower section has been established, our focus shifts to creating straight, consistent partings that will serve as a foundation for the style. Our focus will be the lower third of the head. Begin by creating a horizontal part from the upper tip of the ear to the center of the head, about 3/4 of an inch to 1 inch in width. Use the tail of your comb to set the line and the teeth of the comb for precision in smaller areas. Clip away excess hair with a duckbill or a gator clip, as seen here, to keep the working area clear. The first row establishes the base and determines the rhythm for the sections that follow. Repeat the same process across this third row, ensuring the width remains consistent at 3/4 to 1 inch. Use elastic bands to secure subsections temporarily, which makes it easier to compare each new row to the previous one. Refine the reference guide section above. As you move into the fourth row, continue to subsection and measure against the established guide. Pay close attention to alignment. The new row should mirror the curve and spacing of the rows below. This visual check confirms that the pattern is consistent before progressing higher. Once the guide is defined, ensure that the fourth horizontal parting has the same width and precision as the previous rows. After the completion of each horizontal row, create a center part from the top of the section to the bottom of the section to measure your alignment with the previous row. Key reminders: always part horizontal, moving from ear to ear. Maintain a uniform width of 3/4 to 1 inch for each row. Use clips and elastic bands to secure subsections and prevent overlap. Continuously measure against your previous row to keep the pattern neat and symmetrical. Clean, consistent partings are the foundations for polished, professional results. Also note, welcome to K&D's down the training modules. Vertically, in this video, we'll be reviewing a way parting to confirm and sectioning that the row knotless mirrors medium braids the rows before. Also note that creating a middle part from the top of the section to the end of the section in a vertical pattern helps to also maintain consistency and mirroring of the previous rows before.